All the birds are freaking out. I keep seeing like flocks of birds coming and then they just like stop in the trees. See, there's more right there. There's just like birds everywhere. They're freaking out. You see, I know that noise too. It's the ground shaking. There's like a bass going boo. Yeah, they're all freaking out. They're all going home. And it's like a constant. There it is. I hear it now. See, and they're all like grounded. And then look over in that tree over there. See how they're all just like. See, they're all like they're grounded. They're all flying. Yeah, there's like this bass that just keeps going boo. And look, they're all grounded over there. See. It's like you hear like this bass that just keeps going boo 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 boo. Oh, it's coming back. Oh. See, they're all freaking out and leaving. Yeah, it's coming back. It is rumbling hard. It is going boo. See, I always say it sounds like somebody listening to rap music or something, but it's not. It's coming from the ground.